Well, now really nitty-gritty things. It's like the one at ChatWM. We have a picom toggle. Picom toggle is interesting in the sense that if for one reason or other you say Ctrl-Alt-O, I want to have transparency or no transparency, you can do so. And everything needs to be in place, of course. So the picom toggle.sh has its effect thanks to the sexy hotkey daemon, which is here. At the very end, it says Ctrl-Alt-O config DWM, not ChatWM, not Arco DWM, but on the personal project DWM. So it needs to go in here. So that means that we need to copy paste things over. Let's press Ctrl Shift P, or well, P is good enough. These are all the P's that we can use. That's good. I wanted to copy paste, so copying files to, that's the good one. Huh? So we want to copy -v. It's called picom toggle.sh. We're gonna copy paste it to this thing. Voila. So that's gonna work. Picom toggle.sh is gonna go toggle. Is gonna go to here to config to the DWM config DWM, and that's gonna be extra. That's one thing I'd like to add. There's another thing I'd like to change as well. So go back. This one. What I've changed as well is adding DEX to the list, because DEX is used here. I've added also nlogout. We'll talk about it separately. The Ctrl-Alt-H is ArcoLinux upgrade. That's in again. This is DEX. Ctrl-Alt-N. I thought, hey, that doesn't work. ChatWM, all the key bindings are a little bit different, so we're fine-tuning what I like to have on my system. So Ctrl-Alt-N and Ctrl-Alt-N is something I'd like to run, which is called btop desktop. So either you do Ctrl-Shift-Escape, and then you have the XFC task manager, but there's also something nice called btop. And there often I use the F for filter and then have a look. Oh yeah, it ran, right? That's the thing I do mostly is that, or when I build ISOs, have a look. Oh yeah, the ISOs, all the CPUs are working, and also the heat never gets heat, well, hot. So this is something I really do. So F, and then Sysmon, for example, is busy here, I see. Super Q, we're off. Nice wallpaper. So Alt F, it's now in my system. It's now somewhere in my saved. So this is what I'll propose to change some more. And now we have to test it. That all looks good. So the nlogout is something that Drunken Alcoholic has made. I've made a video about it. It's basically a nice way of logging out. Ah yeah, that's true. Maybe I can do that in the meantime together with that, because I need to tell it to float. So this is not floating, which is okay. Cancel. We are in the tiling window manager, but let's put it in there. So whoop, drag and drop. Let's put it in here. Build custom config. That's one, and I've already put it in ChatWM. So we're gonna copy paste to the desktop of ChatWM. ChatWM Nemesis. So this guy has it already. etc skull config. This one, that one, this one. Control find and log out. So that line is a line I need. Control C, That's the line that's in here. So we've made this telegram now automatically start at certain screens. And this one a little bit of layout. Let's see. Why do I have more variables? That's strange. So there's something different in chat.wm as in DWM. One more variable. Save. Comma, no, comma, yes, comma, yeah. So is floating, yes, I need to be, that thing needs to be floating. Save. And here we have one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is centered. Okay, the default DWM doesn't have that. That's the difference. Okay, we learn every day. So that's that. When I rebuild this now, Ctrl-Alt-O, right? Picom is on or it's not. And then I need to rebuild, so I'll build this. Can't show you, well, it's the wrong place to be. We're in chat.wm. I need to push everything online. So let's have a look again. So now we have nlogout. Can't show that it's floating because I need to rebuild it and then log out. This looks good. And now we push everything online. So you have it. So nlogout, btop, and more, right? That's there, picom toggle as well. And then we build it. And if everything is okay, I should end up with config DWM in here with picom toggle. Yeah, kill all picom and restart it again. And the sexy hotkey daemon here is gonna use that configuration. That's also good. And there were no problems anywhere mentioned. That's also good. This is a nice wallpaper, but it's a little bit light, so Alt-N for the next one already. And now we have better readability. Super X, and we stop the video, log out and check it out.